Introducing Waring Commercial's vacuum sealing system. Airtight food storage that keeps food fresh longer and makes portion control easier. Pistol Grip Sealer sits in its own charging storage base. Includes 25 1-quart and 25 1-gallon bags. The bag sealing tool conveniently stores in the base. Compact to keep close. Covered to stay clean. Cordless to go where you need it. You control the suction. With the actuator trigger's precision control, delicate items won't get crushed. The nozzle detaches with a simple twist to unlock and locks again for easy cleaning. A powerful, long-lasting nickel metal hydride battery recharges fast to seal up to 50 bags per charge. A direct power feature allows for large volume sealing with the cord that comes with the recharging power base. All the features, power, and performance you expect from the best. Seal the deal with Waring Commercial. Bags are available in 3 sizes: 1 quart, 1 gallon, and 2 gallon, all with our exclusive patented valve system. And they store right in the base. Bags are freezer safe, microwave safe, BPA free, and boil safe. Perfect for sous vide applications. To use your Waring Commercial vacuum sealer, first choose the right size bag for the job. Add desired seasonings. Place food inside. And use the sealer to close the bag and create an airtight lock. Press the tip of the pistol over the patented valve and pull the trigger. As the vacuum removes air, seasonings are forced into food to maximize flavor infusion. Label it and date it, then store it or cook it. For sous vide applications, place bag in water bath and cook to desired temperature. When ready, remove from bag. Heat oil on a Waring Commercial induction burner. And sear. Sauté fresh ingredients. Add pre-portioned raw or par-cooked foods from vacuum-sealed bags. And plate it. Perfect. The Waring Commercial vacuum sealing system. Keep it close, keep it fresh.